Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today. This is going to be a real quick video on on a haul that I did, that I went on a haul from the Dollar Tree. And y'all know that this year, 2020, is the year for prosperity, good health, and favor. Okay, favor in your business, favor in your relationship, wherever you need favor, okay? I want to show y'all two items that I purchased. I don't know if y'all remember a video that I did at a Dollar Tree that was a wreck. It was a Dollar Tree that I went to that was a complete mess. Every time I go to that Dollar Tree always have stuff that no other Dollar Tree has. I got these glass pearl beads from that Dollar Tree. Okay? And I got them in 4 different sizes. I believe this is 10 millimeter and these are 8 millimeter. And between these two, I'm trying to figure out what size. But I got 4 packs because y'all know that we can use pearls for anything. Anything we choose to use pearls for, we can. When I was in there, I thought when I grabbed them, I thought that I got all of them the same color as this, but I grabbed a color. This looked like it's like a cream, it's real pretty, y'all. Okay, so I got five of these, 5 packs of these. I don't even know what I'm going to do with these, but I tell y'all, whenever you run into anything like this, grab it. Because even though you may not know what you're going to use it for later, when an idea comes to you and you need something, you'll have it on hand. Okay? So here we have it. The next thing I'm going to show y'all is some glass beads, these glass bracelets. Now, every now and then, Dollar Tree will get some really cute bracelets in, y'all, okay? But I got these, and of course, you know, I had to get plenty. Got 6 of them. I got these because the quality of these glass beads are, like, awesome. Really, really awesome. And you can use these to do anything. Like, I would never wear this like this because that's just not my forte. I'm gonna definitely have to do something, do a DIY using these beads, y'all. Make and create something using these beads. That's what I had planned to do anyway. But, so this is the end. This is pretty much the end of my haul. Well, no, it's not. I got one more thing to show y'all. One more thing. Every now and then, y'all, Walmart will have, now not Walmart, the Dollar Tree will have, I hope I didn't say the Dollar Tree, I mean Walmart in the beginning of this video. It's the Dollar Tree. They will have t-shirts. I'm going to show y'all how to make and create. Now, I started making these when my children were little, but I wasn't using fabric to make them. I was using, I can't really think of the name of the stuff that I used to use, but I'm going to show y'all these necklaces that I made. Now, this is something that at one point in time was really hot here on the YT. Everybody was making these, okay? This kind of stuff never goes out of style because you can make it and create it as big or as small as you would like. This is a really big one right here. And these are going to be necklaces. Now, if y'all want me to show you how to make this, that's going to be a DIY because it's going, I can show you how to start it. but this takes time to make. This is not a, you can't make this quick. This take about an hour, almost 2 hours, depending on how fast you move, okay, to make. And I have been making these for quite some time. I pretty much taught myself how to do this. Like I said, you can make it big or small. You can add some different charms, hang some more stuff, you know. The sky is the limit, like I always tell y'all. But I got these t-shirts from the Dollar Tree. I actually got more than just this black. I got a number of them. And like I said, if y'all want me to show you how to make and create this, please write down in the comment to let me know if you want to see a DIY on this. There have been people on the YT who have done videos on these, but the thing that used to get me was when they would do the video, yours wouldn't come out the way that they showed you, because because when people do videos on the YT, sometimes they leave out steps. When they go to upload the video, they leave the steps out, so you don't get everything you need. That's why I try to make sure when I do my videos that y'all get everything you need. I don't leave any steps out of my DIYs, okay? Because I just don't, if you're teaching people something. Now, if people make a decision to watch it and they don't watch it all the way through and it don't come out the way that I did it, then don't blame me for it. Don't blame me, because when you're learning how to do something, you have to have patience. You also have to allow yourself to sit there long enough to watch something if you're really interested in learning how to make and create it, okay? It is just that simple. So with that being said, if you all want to learn how to make and do this, please let me know. I will go by the comments down in the comments, and I will be making it using this. It's going to be the same technique. So whatever technique, and we're going to be making some earrings. So whatever technique that I choose to do to make, it won't be out of the t-shirt, okay? It's going to be out of this. And this is paracord or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to make a pair of earrings using this, okay? It's going to be the same technique. You can use that technique to apply it to how to the t-shirt. It's the same way, nothing different, okay? So with that being said, I want to thank y'all for joining me for this video. I appreciate it so very much. And for those of you who are new, this is your first time here on this platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Peace and blessings, and until the next one, see ya.